Hi, this is Lee Oakey, and I'm just wanting to give you a brief tutorial to explain to you how you can do a screen recording. Those of you that have bought the GetBB Referrals automated system, you'll know that there are timelines and timeline videos off of the welcome page that you can set, and what we encourage you to do is to record the the growing of your account from day one through various periods. Now what we're going to do is actually send you out some dates, but certainly day 1, day 7, day 14, maybe day 30, and then maybe once every month thereafter through to the 6-month and year period, so that you're able to give people an indication of how the business has grown. Now some of you may not be aware how to do that, and we're not in a position to supply somebody else's account within those timelines, so you need to be able to understand how you do a screen recording. So I'm just going to take you through a tutorial really how you do that, and in addition to that, how you upload into YouTube and then get the embedded code from YouTube so that it can be then inserted into that particular page within your website. So without any further ado, let's just take a look. Now I'm going to be using QuickTime Player, which you can see on the top left of my screen here because I'm working on a Mac. Those of you working on a PC, you can use something like Microsoft Expression Encoder 4. That's Microsoft Expression Encoder 4. You can just type that in and download that. That's a free download, and that allows you to record up to 10 minutes at a time, which is more than sufficient to do your screenshots and your brief video showing people how your account has gone. But assuming that you've done that, I'm running a screen recording at the moment, and obviously you'll work that out with Microsoft Expression as well. Once you've actually got your screen recording done and finished, here's one that I've done previously. What you want to do is simply click share or export. Now obviously on a Mac I'm going to click share, and it gives me an option to then share it with one of these applications. So I'm going to select YouTube, and what it will do then is ask me to categorize it, and what we'll do is we'll pick up, in this instance, people and blogs. We'll give it a title, and let's just call that test. The description is very important. Now here you want to put maybe something along the lines of, in fact let's just be a bit more specific with this. We'll put that as day 1 of my Banners Broker account. Underneath that you want a more elaborate description, so I would put something like video showing first day of my Banners Broker business. Now YouTube is owned by Google, and all of the videos are crawled and ranked, so you can get a lot of videos appearing on page 1, page 2 of the optimized searches for Google. So it's very, very important that you put the relevant information in here and the tags below. So we've mentioned Banners Broker here. The key tags are like short descriptions or words that the search engines look for in order to make the searches relevant to people that are searching those terms. So I would certainly put in here Banners Broker. I would put making money online, that type of thing. If you put a comma after it, it separates it into its own sections. The important thing to make sure is that you do not have the box checked here that says make this movie personal. You want everybody to be able to see it, and that's pretty good all in all. Now the other thing I would also do here in the description, this description here is going to show up directly underneath your video in YouTube. I would also put a little mention in here of your free account, so something along the lines of open a free account to get started, and then you want to put in the link to your Banners Broker business. It will be something along the lines of www.bannersbroker.com/main / your name, whatever your screen name is on Banners Broker /main /sign up. Do check the URL, but it is something like that. But that gives people the opportunity that if they wish to, after watching the video, they can actually sign up immediately by clicking this link underneath, and it will go straight through to your Banners Broker account. So they haven't got to go back in and find you again. They can do it straight from watching the video. From there, you would click Next. It's just confirming that you agree with obviously all the terms of use, and you click Share. And it's as simple as that. And what will happen here is that it will start to upload over here on the right hand side. If I just scroll down a little bit, there we go. That's the video you can see now uploading, and that's sending that straight through to my Banners Broker account. Now, what you will need to make sure before you start uploading these videos into YouTube is, of course, that you have a YouTube account. Very easy, just go to YouTube in Google and open an account. Call it, if it's going to be for the uploading of your Banners Broker progress, call it something relevant to Banners Broker, because again, that page or those topics of videos will be crawled by the search engines. So if your account is called Banners Broker or Banners Broker videos or something like that, then again there's more chance of everybody that when they put that search in looking for Banners Broker information, that yours will be pulled up. Now, as you can see, that's less than a minute to go, and that's just ticking through, and ultimately that will just throw us into YouTube. So I'm going to take a look at YouTube now, move this out the way and leave that just finishing its upload. We'll just drop into YouTube. Just update this page here. This is the Banners Broker page I've got running. And here you can see I've just moved up slightly. This has created a pane already, showing me that I've actually got a video on the way in. And obviously once that's uploaded, then I can refresh the page and the information will be displayed. So I'm pretty sure that that's close to finishing. It is. You can just see here that once you've actually gone through and the time's out, it's just stating that it's waiting for YouTube to process the video. And I'll keep an eye on this box for the moment, because once that's finished, it's being processed, then it should appear automatically in this pane. I might need to refresh the page just at the top here with this little symbol, just to make sure that it is up to date. I'll do that periodically just to see if it drops in. And what we'll see there is just a picture that will appear. We also have a number of options once we get in there as to exactly what picture we want to use to display the videos. So let's just drop into the one underneath this. We can use this while that one is uploading. So once you've actually got your picture inside, what you want to do is first of all enlarge it. So go to the main view. Now you can do that a number of ways, but if you click on the video, just like so, that will bring up the normal pane that you would normally see. I'm just going to pause that, and just beneath that, if you scroll down, what you'll see here is you've got a share button, and that's used if you want to send this video or share the video by moving the link somewhere else. If you click on share, and that is the short URL for anybody, and you can use that and post that in Facebook or anywhere like that, and people can click on that link and go straight to your video. So that's the short URL. What we need is we need the embedded information. So click on embed, scroll down a little bit, and this is what we call the HTML code that sits behind your web page where you want this video to be displayed. So we've just gone share and clicked embed, and here we can see the iframe information, the embedded code that we need to lift and copy across to the web page. Beneath this, we'll also have an option to increase the size of the video pane that will be on that page. Now, at the moment, by default, the YouTube videos are set to 420. Now, most of our videos we have on our web pages are around 705. So if you put 705 in, it automatically will put the height in, and you'll see what's happened. As you've typed this in here, the information, the iframe HTML code, has automatically changed. So if I just click in that box, it highlights it all for me, and I'm going to Command C, or you could go to the top and edit and copy if you wanted to, and I've now picked up the code that I need. And as far as this is concerned, I'm not going to go into too much detail here as to how you put that into the website, but quite simply, that's all you need to do. Now, Until you've actually done it once, what I would suggest that you do is you take that code, copy it, and just drop it in an email initially to me, or save it somewhere onto a Word document, etc. Just paste it in so that it's there and ready. And then what I can do is I'll actually show you how to put that code into the relevant page on your website. So for example, if it was page 1 of your timeline, we'll show you how to get into the back end of the website and then update that information for you to see. Thanks very much. That's it for now. That's my dog's barking in the background, and I hope that's been of use for you and shown you how you can actually upload your screen recordings straight into YouTube. Speak to you soon. Bye bye.